How to add a community manager to a Facebook page? Let's begin. To start off, launch the Facebook app on your device and make sure you are logged into the page you want to manage. Next, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down and select Page Setup. Now choose Page Access from the available option. Here look for the People with Task Access option and click on the Add New button beside it. Next, tap on the search bar at the top and enter the username of the person you want to add. Then click on their name. Furthermore, toggle on the switch beside Community Activity to assign the Community Manager role. Lastly, hit Keep Access at the bottom to proceed. Finally, enter your password to confirm your change. Finally, the invitation has been sent to the selected person, and that's it. You have successfully added a community manager to your Facebook page.